In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim in Snowflake. Trimming is an essential part of data transformation, especially when you want to ensure that your data is clean and uniform. In Snowflake, the trim function is a handy tool for removing unwanted characters from the beginning and end of your strings. By default, it trims spaces, but if you have other specific characters you'd like to remove, you can easily specify those as well. Let's dive into the details and explore how you can effectively use this function in your Snowflake data projects. The basic syntax of the trim function in Snowflake looks like this: trim followed by the expression you want to trim, and optionally, the characters that need to be trimmed. Sounds straightforward, right? But let's delve a bit deeper to fully grasp how this works. Imagine you're working with a dataset that includes user inputs. Sometimes, users might inadvertently add extra spaces before or after their entries. This is where the trim function becomes quite valuable. Say you have a column of names, and you want to ensure there's no white space cluttering the data. You can apply the trim function to this column, and any leading or trailing spaces will be efficiently removed, leaving you with a clean, consistent set of data. Now, what if you're dealing with a scenario where the unwanted characters aren't spaces, but rather other kinds of characters, let's say asterisks or commas? Snowflake allows you to specify these within the trim function. After the expression you want to trim, you simply add a comma and indicate the specific characters you'd like to remove. This flexibility makes it simple to tailor the trim function to suit the unique requirements of your dataset, ensuring that you can cleanly extract just the data you need, no matter how it's originally formatted. As a practical example, if you have a string that's padded with leading and trailing exclamation marks like "hello," using the trim function with these marks specified will yield a neatly trimmed "hello." When incorporating this function into your project, you not only guarantee tidier data, but also enhance the reliability of any subsequent data processing steps, since you're working with precise inputs. While using trim is generally straightforward, one useful tip is to always review the data that comes out after applying the function. This step helps verify that the trimming operation has removed only the intended characters and nothing more, maintaining the integrity of the original information. In summary, whether you're tidying up spaces or getting rid of unexpected characters, the trim function in Snowflake is a versatile go-to tool. It streamlines your data cleaning processes, making your data sets more manageable and your analytics more accurate. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering Snowflake.